When Amazon is charging you too much to store your product, where they're charging you a higher rate because Amazon's saying your product is larger than it really is, what are your options? The first thing you should do is to contact an account reconciliation vendor. There are many out there. We recommend a company called Seller Strategies, but there are many out there. Google Amazon account reconciliation. They'll teach you how to put in a case, or they'll handle it for you, and they generally charge you by keeping a percentage of whatever they recover from you. And you would be absolutely stunned as to how much money Amazon takes from sellers by overcharging, not just for the size of your product and storage, but there are often tremendous amounts of overcharges for pick, pack, and ship from the FBA warehouses. Now, when do we come into the picture? We're only really helpful to you when Amazon has literally overcharged you by tens of thousands of dollars, $40,000, $50,000 or more in overcharges, and your cases with Amazon are unsuccessful. The account reconciliation companies have failed. Now you want to hire us to take Amazon to arbitration. One of the great things about your contract with Amazon, one of the few good things about your contract with Amazon, is that you have the right to take Amazon to arbitration rather than litigation. When it comes to claims under $1 million, arbitration is a really great process because it's fast and it's cheap. If Amazon has stolen more than $1 million from you, then arbitration is awful because the rules change and you actually have to pay for a panel of 3 arbitrators, which quintuple your costs. But most sellers are not in that predicament. So if Amazon is overcharging you, try Seller Strategies, try another Amazon account reconciliation company. If the damages exceed $40,000 or more, contact us for an arbitration against Amazon to get your inventory back, get your money back. As far as we are aware, and this comes from Amazon's outside counsel, we handle 75% of all the arbitrations against Amazon. My partner Rob Siegel and Ashley DePinto lead the team on Amazon arbitrations. I've litigated cases for decades, so I believe that I am the world's best litigator when it comes to Amazon arbitrations. Rob is also only second to me. We are the best at it, but the damages have to make sense to warrant the cost of the arbitration. Okay, if you want to learn more about arbitrations, go to our website, go to our blog, type in the word arbitration, and you will see a boatload of free information for Amazon sellers when it comes to recouping your inventory or money by taking Amazon to arbitration.